Wow. Wow-wee. Where's this come from?
Jason, I told him that he said, well, how was Riley's birthday party? And I said, oh, his favorite thing was a Thomas the Tank Engine. And then do you like that Smudge? He sort of stopped and he said, well, how would he like a proper Thomas the Tank Engine? I said, what do you mean? He said, well, the house that he moved into in the shed was this Thomas the Tank Engine. And it has two little wagons that go with it. And he said he just got to skip this weekend. He was going to throw it out.
How perfect is that?
So,
How perfect, Riley.
push it. You can push it.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Oh, he can push it. Oh, that's helpful. Oh, he can.
Oh, it's heavy.
Wow, way. Look at the choo-choo train. Ooh. Who's a good boy?